9 Kinder Surprise eggs. We have frozen and Peppa Pig eggs. Would you guys like to open some?
Oh,
Emily is already on it. Let's.
She's behind the camera.
All right, come over there. Okay. Let's see what we have.
Okay.
We'll start out with Emily and a Peppa Pig egg.
It's chocolate, Daddy.
That's right. Is it broken open?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What is that?
You like the taste of it? What is that?
What is that?
It came with stickers.
It's a Peppa Pig charm necklace.
Cool, but it's very small.
Very nice.
How could it be a necklace? It should be a
With a flyer.
be a bracelet.
Okay, now it's. Hold on a second.
Isabel's turn.
Isabel's turn now on a frozen egg.
Okay.
Break it open. Just don't put the chocolate here in this pile. Ooh, what could possibly be in this frozen one? It's blue.
Open it.
It's frozen.
It's Elsa.
It's Elsa from. It's Elsa from Frozen.
This is all we can get in this.
Boy. Emily with another Peppa Pig egg from Germany.
It's chocolate and vanilla.
That's right, it is.
Here. I baked it. Here, Daddy.
Oh, thank you.
Here.
Emily's not a big fan of the chocolate.
I
Thank you.
want chocolate and chocolate because they both do the same.
They're both good.
Mommy doesn't like white chocolate.
Oh, what is that?
What could it be?
Is that a Rebecca Rabbit?
It's Rebecca Rabbit
Sure
and
is.
Fire.
And a flyer.
And she's eating a carrot with her face.
That's right. Hello, Rebecca Rabbit.
It's really creepy.
I'm Rebecca Rabbit. Carrot with a face that I'm eating. That's right.
Your hair is very creepy. Your tongue is about. Your tongue.
Isabel says that's very creepy. Sorry, I was stuffing my face with chocolate.
Crack it open. Now.
See what Isabel gets.
What do you get, Isabel? Hold on. I'm trying to open it. What you got? I'm trying to open it.
This is a little tough. Can it open it?
Yeah. This one is really bad. Where's my chocolate, Daddy?
Hold on, I'm trying.
Can I eat some from the pile?
The frozen one's killing us here. Oh, there you go. Okay. What did we get inside?
We've got Kristoff.
It's Kristoff from Frozen. Right, now Emily wants to open her Peppa Pig egg.
Hold on.
This is the last Peppa Pig egg in Series 3.
Then she'll have to get some.
Emily loves the Peppa Pig eggs. I think she's got some hair in them. Is that chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah, here, you might want to... Yeah, we'll just leave it in a pile there. It's okay. We can vacuum up later.
Need help? No. It's vanilla and chocolate.
It's a vanilla and chocolate egg.
Want me to open
Oh, very nice. Oh, look at that. That's right up on it. That's right. These are just people up and then they eat too. All of them fit really good.
It's another Rebecca.
It's another Rebecca Rabbit?
And Flyer. It's still crazy.
I got chocolate on my fingernail. It's the best kind. Hold on a second. So far, let's recap. We have Rebecca Rabbit, Rebecca Rabbit again, Peppa Pig, Grandpa Pig, some type of awesome charm there, and Kristoff and Elsa. Don't forget
I like that one.
I do too. Don't forget the flyers. Okay, Isabel's turn. Chachi's in the background. She wants chocolate, but she can't have any.
Give me some chocolate.
Chachi's addicted to chocolate, but that's not happening.
Like,
Not today.
Give me chocolate. Give me chocolate. You know, why don't you? I don't eat chocolate.
Oh, you love chocolate. Oh, yeah. Emily's eating her white chocolate.
See on the inside, it looks like. I think I know who it is.
Who is it?
Who is it? Hold on, can you help me? These are always hard. It is Ola. I saw her hair.
Mm-hmm. Ah, I
And then
see.
I thought it was Kristoff's hair. Oh, Mommy, that's creepy. There's Anna.
Is it Anna? Oh, there's Anna.
It's
Anna from Frozen. Anna can't stand up very well. The rubber legs are failing her. These are actually higher quality than some of them. Anyway, looks like Emily has a frozen egg.
Together. It's just chocolate.
It's just chocolate. It's a mess, that's what it is.
Please help me with chocolate.
It's another Anna from Frozen.
It's fire.
And a flyer from Frozen. Collect all of these figures. Pretty much get it.
Where's another one? Can I have
Set it. Feel it. We'll just have to get more for the next video, right, Isabel?
Then we'll eat all the chocolate and get out of it.
That's right.
What is this trap?
Oh, hold on. Emily's opened hers. Isabel's opened hers. It's a race to the end. Who can open theirs first without an adult's help? Oh, Emily broke hers open. Isabel's trying hers. There's something inside. Emily.
Can't open it for me. Hold on, I'm looking. Look at all that chocolate.
Oh, Isabel won.
Kristoff again.
Kristoff again.
It's Kristoff.
Another Kristoff, so we have 3.
He kissed the camera.
We have 3 Kristoffs.
Hold on. Yeah.
3 Kristoffs, 2 Annas, and Elsa. A Peppa Pig thingamabobber. And 2 creepy looking Rebecca rabbits, so the kids say. It's not
No, the
creepy,
carrots.
Carrots creepy looking because Rebecca rabbits can be eating carrot. What?
Can I hold that for me?
Yep, hold on. Everybody say bye. Emily, say bye.
She's eating chocolate.